Ross from ProSteamUK, we're part of the Car Cleanse UK network. Today we've been called out to an emergency on this Mini. Unfortunately the passenger was sick, and the problem with vomit is, without going into too much graphic detail, it never ends up in one place, it always splashes. And so what we're going to have to do is remove this seat, and we're going to clean the entire seat, back and front, all the sides. And then we're going to look at the carpet. Obviously we've got to get between the seat and the centre console. We're going to do the centre console, and possibly look at that driver's seat as well. It's the only way to do this properly, folks. We've also got to look at down here. We have some vomit on the seat belt. Obviously the seat belt was across the passenger's lap, so that will get the brunt of it. Okay. Well folks, job done. Seat's back, car's running, air conditioning is running, making sure that there's no odour coming from any of the vents there, and there isn't. The carpets are all clean, dry. This seat has been deep cleaned and dried and replaced. As you can see, the seat belt is absolutely spotless. Okay, and it was dried before we allowed it to retract back into there. So there you have it. This is the only way to properly deal with a car that has been involved in a passenger that's vomited.